not valid. I'm sorry. So I stopped the car for that as well. The second registered owner of the vehicle. You don't know who? Well, I'm gonna talk to the driver for now, and I'll talk to you. Okay? So, sir, right here, you. Driver's license, registration, and insurance. Okay? I'll talk to you in a second, but I didn't talk to him because he's driving.
There has to be a reason why you put it over.
I just told you. Sir, license.
And so
license.
You raise it. You saw us in Hispanic and then behind us.
So again,
okay.
One road. So look at. Are you listening? Hey, let me get your license.
Why we didn't put us over before? Why?
Send me another unit.
See us before.
I just told you why. Can you listen for a second? Just calm down. What's your name? What's your first name? Look, I'm Deputy Spiller of the Sheriff's Office. The window tint is too dark. There's two owners of the vehicle. One owner is valid, one owner isn't. I shined my lights to try to see who the driver was. I couldn't do it because the window tint was too dark. I don't know who was in this car. We good? Now let me see your driver's license, registration, and insurance.
I'm the owner.
Hey, look at me. I've asked you like 4 times, man. I need your license. Send me 32 as well if she's available for translation. All right, insurance registration. I understand. I heard him. Let me see your insurance and registration. I don't understand why we had to go through this whole dog and pony show, man.
You freaking looked at his phone.
Just for you to tell me you don't got a license, you did all that. You know he driving dirty for that. You try to make it sound like I'm the problem. Why you not driving? Your license bad? You don't got a license? Nobody just got about a license? Man, you got a license? You? So there's 4 people in this car that can't drive and you mad at me. I'm ready.